Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to take a screen record on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you, if you guys like to record your video calls, or if you want to take a screen record for tutorial or something, don't need to be worried guys, because Poco M7 Pro is providing screen recorder feature on your cell phone, so that you don't have to install any other apps to do the screen record. And how to take a screen record is very easy. So yeah, first, now you can swipe down to go to control center, and then now you can click on the screen record and press on the red button to start the screen record. And then so yeah, now you can do the screen record properly. And if you want to save that, now you can click on the red button again, and your video will store to your gallery. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial. And then thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.